What's going on, everybody? Today we're putting airbags in the shocks of my truck. I'm YouTube certified. They came with no directions, so quick Google search of the directions and watching a handful of YouTube videos. I've been told no need to take off the rear shock. You can flatten out the thing and put it up in there. Some people say to use zip ties, some say it's not necessary. I pre-ran my line, ran my line up. I'm following the wire and harness up and down. It's not zip tied. I got the dual exhaust, so I don't know if you can see it up in there or not, but I ran it with the taillight wiring harness so I could run it up along the bumper along with the license plate lights, so I'm staying away from my exhaust. So when you on here, you got your puck. I put some wiring stuff around it. I watched a video that the guys did that, and I kind of liked it. Help with some of the crap, especially being in New York. We got a lot of crap in the winters and a lot of poop on the road in the summer. So make sure you get that all in there. We're going to see if we can get this in. See how this side goes. So I went through the second bottom. It looked like one of the widest areas. These bags do not compress very well, but if you take the top, you kind of press it in and roll it as you go, it walks right in. A little trick I learned on one of the videos. I got zip ties, like I said, just in case, but I didn't feel it necessary after watching the video of them doing this. So it's in sideways. Now to get it stood up, I'm on my creeper, so I'm sliding around a little bit. And you don't want to break this valve off. It's pliable right there, but you want to make sure you keep that valve clear of the spring. Now the reason I'm doing this is because my truck is a 1500. As you guys watch my videos, you'll know we ride the two buggies. So we haul the two buggies in a 20-foot enclosed trailer, and truck hauls fine, hauls straight. Zero complaints with that. But Dodge's 1500 suspensions are kind of, they fart out a little bit and sag. Now I'm seeing where the zip ties do come in handy. Is trying to make this turn going up and in. The bag wants to fold funny and not pinch where you really kind of want it to pinch. And not work its way up. What I'm going to try to do is walk it up the spring and spin it. If that kind of does anything for me or makes things worse or what. As I said, I'm YouTube certified. I do have my jack underneath my back of my truck. I have two jack stands under the frame so that the truck doesn't come down too much. And then I got hold on. And I got two jack stands under the axle in case this thing does want to tip or something stupid. The brakes don't squish my junk. She just don't want to pinch up past that bag for me. Again, keeping an eye on that top valve. Let's see here. I'm finding is when I pinch in the bag, allowing air to build up in here, I can't get it smushed because there's pressure in the bag. And it's not liking me. So what we're going to do is we're going to back right out. I'm going to do something like this. I heard one guy call it the hot dog bun method. These are some cheap zip ties and they're short, so we'll see if they'll do the trick. I might need a third. Thinking I do. Let's get these started. Thanks for watching me struggle. Hope you guys are enjoying it. See if I can get this thing to do this. Alright. Said cheap zip ties. Oh, it broke. So, well, we'll be back. Alright. Take two. We're back. I got some different color zip ties. Pretty pink ones are a little bit stronger. We'll see if this works now. Alright. Cutter. I need to cut that zip tie, I think. Bada bing, bada boom. Airbags installed. Whoa. So, one side down, one to go. Get that out of the sun. We'll make it sit through the rest. She's jacked up pretty good right now. But, like I said, running it along the frame. Along the lights for that, which brings me to the lights for the bumper. So, keep it away from the exhaust. And we'll see if she tows this pig a little bit better. So, sorry, that was a little bit of a fight, a little 12-minute fight. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Until next time.